at the base of the plant and just real gently.
Part of the mission of the Upper Deschutes Watershed Council is really to connect our community to our local rivers and streams. As part of this project, we could have hired landscapers to come out and plant 2,000 native plants that went into this site, but instead we wanted to get school kids and local volunteers out here. Throughout the spring of 2023, we had more than 20 student and community groups come out for planting days at this site. Those students and volunteers are out here planting trees and plants right along the Deschutes River. And through this work, we hope they're becoming more connected to this place and developing a stewardship ethic to where they're going to want to care for this space. Those plants they planted will hold the stream banks together and hold that soil in place. They'll also provide shade over time for our river and our off-channel wetlands and habitats we've created. Our community members and students can come back in the future and walk this trail, and they'll be able to see these trees and shrubs and grasses that they've planted and feel like they contributed to this project. As we invest in these areas along our river to restore habitat and make them more sustainable for recreation use, we want our community to enjoy these spaces while also keeping them healthy for future generations. When community members use the access points we've created, you're taking care of the river by not using places that are eroding stream banks. When you respect the fencing and avoid trampling the vegetation that has been planted, you're allowing those plants to grow, thrive, shade our river, keep our waters cool, and create habitat for fish and wildlife. When you stay on the trail and leave no trace, you're allowing everyone to enjoy this space. That's what we're trying to do here in balancing this need for recreation and having access points that will be sustainable throughout the site. The Riverbend South project is not only about restoring our beloved river, but it's also about engaging our community in the health of the Deschutes River. This project provides a special opportunity for our community to further connect to this space and learn how they, too, can enjoy, protect, and respect our incredible river.